Hello everyone, I am Professor Mayur Sonar, currently working in Department of MCA, KK Wagh Institute of Engineering Education and Research, Nasik. In this video, we will discuss about how to prepare for Maharashtra MCA CET. So let us get started. Let us first discuss about Maharashtra MCA CET. So students who wish to take admission to MCA course need to give this particular exam. Name of the exam is MHMCA CET. The conducting body is Directorate of Technical Education, Maharashtra, popularly known as DTE Maharashtra. The mode of application for this MCA CET is online. You have to go to the official website. The official website is www.cetcell.mahacet.org. The basic eligibility criteria to take the admission to the MCA course is the bachelor's degree. And for MCA CET is the online computer-based test. Let us discuss about the MCA CET syllabus. This particular exam consists of 100 multiple choice questions which are spread across 4 sections. The question paper is required to be attempted within 90 minutes, which means that you need to solve these 100 questions within 90 minutes. So you have to properly manage your time. The major sections of MA CET are mathematics and statistics, logical reasoning, English comprehension and verbal ability, and computer concepts. Let us look at the sections and mark-wise distribution. First section is mathematics and statistics. The number of questions are 30 and the total marks are 60, which means that each question carries 2 marks. The second section, logical or abstract reasoning, again the number of questions are 30 and the total mark is 60. So as you are able to see, both the sections are containing equal number of questions and equal number of marks. The third section is English comprehension and verbal ability. The number of questions are 20 and the total marks are 40. And the last section, computer concepts, again the number of questions are 20 and the total marks are 40. Which means the total number of questions are 100 and the total marks are 200, which means that for each and every questions you are having 2 marks. In this video, we'll talk about 2 of the sections. One is English comprehension and verbal ability and the computer concepts. So let us look at both the sections. Under English comprehension and verbal ability, following topics are covered: basic English grammar, vocabulary, comprehension, summary writing, synonyms and antonyms, ordering of sentences, parajumbles, etc. So the 20 multiple choice questions will be based on any of these topics. Let us see some sample questions. For comprehension, they will give you a paragraph. Based on the paragraph, 4 to 5 questions will be asked and you have to give the answer based on the questions. In this, most important thing is to manage the time. You have to quickly read the paragraph, then understand the question and give the answer. Under synonyms and antonyms, they will give you some words and you have to find out a synonym and antonym for it. Synonym is nothing but a word which is having the similar meaning. Antonym is nothing but the word which is having an opposite meaning. So these kind of questions can come based on English comprehension and verbal ability. For computer concepts, following topics are covered in MCA CET syllabus: computer basics, data representation, binary arithmetic, computer architecture, computer language, and operating system basics. Let us discuss what things are covered under these topics. So the important topics for which are covered under computer basics are organization of computer, central processing unit, structure of instructions in CPU, input-output devices, computer memory, memory organization, backup devices. For data representation, they can ask you questions about a representation of characters, integers, fractions, then how binary and hexadecimal representation is there. They can also ask questions based on binary arithmetic, that is addition, subtraction, division and multiplication of binary numbers, how to find the two's complement, what is mean by Boolean algebra, truth tables, Venn diagrams. For computer architecture, MCQs based on block structure of computers, communication between processor and IO devices, and interrupts can come. For computer language, they can ask you questions on assembly languages, high level languages, C programming, C++ programming, and operating system basics. So let us see some of the sample questions. So what is a web browser? So there will be 4 options. Out of the 4 options, you have to choose the correct one. So we all know that a web browser is nothing but a software program that allows you to access the sites on the World Wide Web. Another question based on computer organization: which gate gives the output as 1 when only one of the inputs is 0? So various gates options are given: NAND, NOR, AND. So we all know that NAND gate is the answer. Multiple choice question based on computer networks can also come. Here is an example: encryption and decryption are functions of transport layer or sessional layer, presentation layer. So we all know that encryptions and decryption are functions of the presentation layer. There can be question based on computer memory. So dash dash is a form of permanent memory that holds all the instructions the computer needs to start up and does not get erased when the power is turned off. And the options are the network interface card, the CPU, RAM and ROM. We all know that there are only 2 memory options given, RAM and ROM, and the correct answer is ROM, that is read-only memory, is nothing but a permanent memory. So these kind of questions may come based on computer concepts. So we should have a very good knowledge about the computer basics. For your preparation, I recommend following books. Various books are listed over here. For MCA, first one is MCA CET Maharashtra by Chandresh Agrawal, then MCA Entrance Examination by S. Chand. You can also get a book in which there are solved question papers for MCA entrances by Amit Agrawal. I have also listed some books which will help you to understand the computer concepts, basic computer concepts. Computer Fundamentals by P.K. Sinha, Object-Oriented Programming with C++ by Balguru Swami, which is a very famous book. Then you can also use Verbal Ability book for understanding the verbal abilities by Wren and Martin. Also, you can read the Java Complete Reference by Herbert Shields and the Operating System Concepts by Shilbar Shah. So these books may help you to prepare for MCA CET. Also here I have listed some of the websites where you can find out the mock tests. So you can go to these websites and give the mock tests, which will help you for preparation. You can also get the type of questions which can come and what is your performance. So I have just listed 2 of them: Test Series by Edugo and toppersexam.com. So you can try these websites and test for yourself. So this is all from my side. Thank you for patiently listening.